We are RiskGuard Enterprise Solutions, an upcoming risk management consultancy based in Hyderabad. Our business focuses on providing specialized risk management services to small business owners, entrepreneurs, and local businesses in the area. We offer a range of products and services including risk assessment services, security audits, risk mitigation training, and risk analysis workshops. RiskGuard Enterprise Solutions was founded with the vision of helping businesses effectively manage and mitigate risks. Our passion for risk management and commitment to delivering personalized solutions led us to establish our consultancy firm. We understand the challenges faced by small businesses and entrepreneurs, and we are dedicated to providing them with the tools and expertise needed to protect their assets and ensure long-term success. We are coming up one insightful webinar, Risk Management Awareness webinar, where we talk about differences between traditional and enterprise risk management. Please join on 28th July at 5 p.m. Stay tuned for more updates.